A Dearborn Heights man is charged with killing a 19-year-old Detroit woman on his front porch. He was back in court today.
And this hearing got a little heated in Wayne County Circuit Court. 7 Action News reporter Mike Woolfolk was inside the courtroom, and he joins us now with more on what happened. Mike?
Carolyn and Malcolm, heated is a very good way to describe how things transpired in this courtroom this afternoon. This case, as you know, dates back to last November when a young black woman was shot and killed on the porch of a white man in Dearborn Heights, just across the border from Detroit. Renisha McBride had been involved in a car accident, and her family members say she was simply looking for help. But Theodore Wafer tells police he thought somebody was trying to break in, and he defended himself and his home. Theodore Wafer sits in district court Friday afternoon as his defense team argues motions related to his upcoming trial. Wafer is accused of killing 19-year-old Renisha McBride. Wafer told police McBride, in the wee hours of November 2nd last year, came banging on the front door of his Dearborn Heights home. He responded by firing a shotgun through the door. Among the motions considered Friday, whether the defense will be allowed to call former Wayne County medical examiner Dr. Werner Spitz as an expert witness to testify about how the human body reacts to sudden fear. The defense believes Spitz could help explain why Wafer pulled the trigger.
You said, I want to give the jury everything that could help them. Dr. Spitz will help the jury.
But Wayne County prosecutors clearly disagree.
You've given opinions here that involve psychiatry, physiology, neurology, all things that human beings do while they're alive, and you've actually only examined dead people.
The prosecution argues any opinions Spitz has about the defendant are speculative, and the only opinion he can state with authority is that Renisha McBride died from being shot in the head.
But that's not the issue. The issue is, how did it all happen? What the cause of death is the simplest thing at all, altogether. That is not the cause of death. Anybody in the street there, or hundreds of people, could make that determination.
Now, there were quite a few heated exchanges between Dr. Spitz and Athena Syringas, who was making the arguments for the prosecutor's office this afternoon. The judge, Dana Hathaway, in this case, will allow Dr. Spitz to testify at trial, but that testimony will be limited. There was also a motion under consideration today to change the venue. Judge Hathaway saying she wants to hold off on that at least until jury selection. They want to see how things go with that before ruling on the change of venue. That trial, by the way, set to begin on July 21st. We're live outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. Mike Woolfolk, 7 Action News.